That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. But I know I'm gonna change that tune. When I'm back on top in June. I tell you, I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up, down, over and out, but I know one thing. Each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Westlife. That's right. I tell you, I can't deny it. I thought of quitting, baby, but my heart just ain't gonna buy it.
And if I didn't think that it was worth one single try, I'd jump right on a big bird, then I'd fly. I've been a puppet,
A pauper,
a pirate,
a poet,
a pawn
and a king.
I've been up
And down
and over,
and out, and
I know one thing.
each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's right, Westlife, and we can't deny it. Oh no, baby, each time I thought of quitting, now, baby, but my heart just ain't gonna buy it. And I said it's shaking this July. I'm gonna roll myself up. I'm gonna roll myself up. We're gonna roll ourselves up in a big one. And oh my God.
I know you won't mind me saying this, Ray. You're a big fan of the boys, aren't you?
Yeah, of course. He's on a swing album, my career.
So how was it singing with them tonight?
Oh my God, I'm absolutely honoured, guys. And do you know what? Thank you so much.
Not at all.
Been a pleasure. One of the best moments of the night.
More importantly, what's he like to work with, Mark?
He's extremely professional, man. You know, he has the swing thing going on. I think, you know, he's got a very good chance tonight.
And I have to point out that this was put together very quickly. You sang together for the first time last night.
Yes.
It was very quick. It was we just found out and we came down and as Mark said, Ray was extremely professional. It was just an honour to sing with him and be on the X Factor. It's great.
Well, it's our absolute pleasure to have you. So what did you make of that? Does that back your vote tonight? If you want Ray to win the X Factor, 0901.